Question 13 is an application problem, and it's a very good problem for distinguishing between arithmetic sequences, arithmetic series, geometric sequences, and geometric series. So it says a football player is offered a chance to sign a contract for 18 games with one of the following plans. Plan 1 is $12,000 for the first game with a $10,000 raise for each game thereafter. Plan 2 is $3 for the first game with his salary doubled for each game thereafter. So Part A wants us to find the player's salary for the 18th game under each plan, and Part B wants us to find the player's total salary for the 18 games under each plan. So for the first plan, my A1 is equal to 12,000, N is equal to 18, and we're adding the same thing each time. So this is going to be arithmetic. Now, question A wants us to find the player's salary just for the 18th game. So that's really a sequence formula that we're going to use. Question B wants us to find the player's total salary for the 18 games. So that's summing up all of the different terms. So that would be an arithmetic series formula. With plan number 2, we're starting out with $3, and N is 18, and we're doubling each time. So that's the same thing as multiplying by 2 each time. So R is equal to 2, and these are geometric. So it's just the 18th game, you want to use the geometric sequence formula. For the total salary of the 18 games, you want to use the geometric series formula. So these are our 4 different problems. Okay, so let's go through them. The arithmetic sequence is going to be 12,000 plus 17 times 10,000. So that's going to be 182,000. The arithmetic series It's going to be 18 over 2 times 2 times 12,000 plus 17 times 10,000. And that should get you 1,746,000. For the geometric sequence, it's going to be 3 times 2 raised to the 17, which is 393,216. Then lastly, the geometric series is going to be 3 times 1 minus 2 to the 18th over 1 minus 2. And that's going to be 786,429. So under Plan 2, the 18th game itself is a lot bigger than the 18th game for Plan 1. But the total salary under Plan 2 is less than the total salary for Plan 1. And this is really because we started out so small in Plan 2. We started at $3, and then if you double that, that would be $6. So it starts off so small, and even though it works up to be a very large number in the 18th game, it still hasn't made up for it for the total salary. Now, if there were like 19 or 20 or 21 games, then for sure Plan 2 would catch up. But as it stands now, this is the breakdown.